Assalamu alaikum. أنا عبد الله الشريف. Hello, I am Abdullah Sharif. Welcome to this course of Arabic learning. We shall go together in this course to discover that the Arabic language is not difficult. It is exciting. Let's go. This course of Arabic language is designed for non-Arabic speakers, adults, and beginners. Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters. 3 of them are vowels. Arabic language is written from right to left. The first letter of Arabic alphabet is Alif. 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 Repeat please. Alif. 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 We have 2 shapes for Alif. Alif Hamza and Alif Mad. As a matter of fact, there are 3 shapes of Alif in Arabic language. We shall learn these 2 of them in this lesson. The first shape is Alif Hamza. Alif Hamza. Alif Hamza. Repeat please. Alif Hamza. Yes. This is the Hamza. This is the Hamza, the small shape on Alif. And this is the Alif. Important, Hamza is written in different shapes depending on its position in the word. A, independent Hamza. Sometimes it's written alone. Sometimes it's on chair. Most of the time it's on the Alif. Sometimes on the Waw or on the Ya. They are also vowel letters. We shall learn them in the next lessons. This is the voice of Hamza. A. 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 Repeat please. A. 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 Very good. We pronounce the Hamza like the letter A in the following words in English language. Another, any, after. Writing the letter Alif Hamza. How we write the letter Alif Hamza? Important. All the Arabic letters have different shapes depending on its position in the word. Alif Hamza is written like this when it is independent. We write the Alif by hand like this. We begin from up down to the line. Alif is always over the line. Then we write the Hamza. Another Alif. This is the independent Alif, when Alif is alone. In the beginning of the word, Alif Hamza is written like this. Important, Alif Hamza looks the same when it is independent or at the beginning of the word. When Alif is in the beginning of the word, it is the same. This is the word, and this is Alif. Alif do not connect with the next letter. It connects only with the previous letter. The previous letter is always at the right side because the Arabic language is written from right to left. In the middle of the word, Alif Hamza is written like this. Note, we have connection tool here to connect with the letter in the right side with the previous letter. Important, Alif Hamza connects with the previous letter only, which is on the right side of the Alif. When alif is in the middle of the word, let us suppose this is a word composed from two blocks and the alif is in the middle, it connects with the previous letter in the right side. When it is in the end of the word, also it connects. So we have the independent alif and alif in the beginning of the word the same. When alif in the middle of the word and in the end of the word, it's the same. The connection tool is the only difference between these shapes of alifs. In the end of the word, alif hamza is written like this. It has the same connection tool, it has the same shape. Alif hamza looks the same when it is in the middle of the word or at the end of it. Second shape of alif is alif mad. Mad. Mad means extension. This letter has no voice in Arabic. It's only extend the previous letter, exactly like the A in English in the words bad, mad, and so on. Important, there is no hamza on the alif mad. Another important note, alif mad is a vowel letter. It extends the voice of the previous letter. It had no voice. Alif mad is pronounced like the A in these English words. Bad, man, Sam, and so on. Alif mad is written the same like alif hamza in all its position at the word, and it connects only with the previous letter. This table shows the different manners of writing alif hamza, the alif mad. From the right side, we pronounce the hamza like a, like the letter A in the word any in English, a, while we pronounce the mad as extension for the previous letter, dad. Note that we pronounce the D, we don't pronounce the A, dad. This is the shapes of alif and the different positions in the word. The second letter in Arabic alphabet is ba, ba, ba. Repeat please. Ba, ba, ba. We write the letter ba like this when it is independent. The handwriting of the ba is like this. It's always with the line. The dot is under the line. This is the independent ba. When ba is in the beginning of the word, we write it like this. It has connection tool in the left side. It means that it connects with the letter in the left side. It connects with the letter next to it. Ba connects with the next letter. When the ba is in the beginning of the word, we begin it like the independent, but we do not close it from the end. We don't close it because it will connect with the next letter. So ba connect with the next letter. Alif do not connect with the next letter. In the middle of the word, we write it like this. Note that it has two connection tools, which mean that the ba connects from both sides, with the previous letter and with the next letter. Important, ba connects to the previous letter too. It connects from both sides. In the middle of the word, alif connects with the previous letter. This is the connection tool. This is the ba. And this is another connection tool with the next letter. So ba connects with the previous and the next letter. It connects from both sides. At the end of the word, we write ba like this. It had the connection tool from the right side, and because it's at the end of the word, it has no connection tools from the other side. It's closed. At the end of the word, ba appears like this. We have the connection tool, and the ba is closed because it is at the end. There's no need to be open, no need to connect with other letters. This table shows the different shape of writing the letter ba. The letter ba corresponds with the letter B in English. Letter ba is the second letter in Arabic alphabet. Writing. We learn two Arabic letters, alif and ba. Let us compose some words in Arabic. Can we? Yes, we can. The first word we shall learn in Arabic is ab. Ab. It contains the two letters in order, alif and ba, number 1 and number 2. The alif here comes in the beginning of the word, so it do not connect with the next letter. It appears as the independent. It is independent, and it is in the beginning of the word at the same time. Ba, because it is not connected with the alif, because the alif refused to connect with it, it remains independence too. Then we have one word with two letters, two independent letters. Ab, ab, ab. Repeat please. Ab, ab, ab. Good. Ab means father. The second word is bab. Bab. It is one word of two blocks. We have ba and the extension of the ba. Here the alif mad gives the ba extension, so we pronounce it ba, ba, bab, bab, bab. The ba is connected with the alif because the alif agreed to connect with the previous letter, but it refused to connect with the next letter. So the second ba is alone, while the first ba looks in the shape in the beginning of the word. Bab. Please repeat. Bab, bab, bab. Very good. Bab means door. Baba, baba, baba. Ba and alif is the same like bab, so we'll not repeat the explanation. Baba means daddy. Please repeat. Baba, baba, baba. That's good. This is enough for one lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye. وداعا.